Hi guys, I was thinking for quite some time what you can do with the dead batteries when they die and can't reuse them anymore. For some time there was boggling my mind. Can you restore battery which is dead? And I saw many videos before I just tried to do it by myself, thinking if you can do it, if it's really worth it, or it actually works. So I decided to do some experiment. Went to the shop, bought the Epsom salt from baking soda. Can be that one. It's exactly the same thing as baking soda, and then distilled water, deionized water, which is good for kettles, car batteries, and so on. So I thought, what the heck, I would try, see what happens, and actually worked out pretty well. This battery hasn't been done yet. These ones had a very good results with them. Actually, this one was dead. Was just have holding like 0.1 volt. This is 6 volt battery. Just to show you. Maybe we'll zoom out, zoom in. Come on. Oh, and actually works now. I tried it. What I done, you mix baking soda with deionized water. You need around 150 grams to 2.5 liters. Heat that up till this dissolves, and then basically put in the battery. Will be bubbling, flashing, and so on till it gets clear. Afterwards, you have to do it a few times, like 3-4 times. That battery up there is on the charge now for the 13-hour charge on 12 volts, 1.2 amps first for first 12 hours. And now it's running 12 volts, 2.5 amps will run all the way till the evening. And well, this is battery from my bike, and when I was starting doing it, was just holding like 6 volts, didn't even light up the battery, the bulb or anything. Even the fan from the PC didn't want to spin. And last night I just put it quickly, and whoa, hey, the bulb was glowing. So it's worth it doing. This one is dead. Just to show you, I will try to show you. It's holding is dry, been already flushed to 0.26 volt, and as you can see it's empty. Obviously I drew the holes in it because you can't get the acid out, and that was the only way to just show you it's empty, nothing in it. So this one will be refilled with the Epsom salt. Epsom salt, you have to put deionized water for 2.5 liter, 2 liters, exactly 2 liters and 100 mils, and then put 220 grams of Epsom salt. Put it quite to temperature around 60 degrees. Put the salt in it, mix it up, let it cool down, fill up the battery, and then stick it on charge. So I'll be back in a few hours time, see what's gonna be happening with that one. But these ones, they hold charge very well. This one, it's 6 volts something, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I don't know. Let me try it differently. Sorry guys, but I'm not the expert in it. Stick in, maybe. As you can see, 5.5 volts, and it was just a volt in it. Didn't hold nothing, and now works. So come back to you soon.